Hi, everybody. My name is David. I'm the CEO and founder of Innofis. I'm here with my colleague, David.
Hi, everyone.
We are a software company focused on digital banking modular solutions for retail and corporate. As we speak, they're being used by millions of people. Here, you can see our platform in action in some devices. During the last years, we have been focusing on very simple, usable, and performing solutions for digital banking. But having that solved, banks are still facing a challenge. They're facing a challenge of being more personal and more useful, whether, for example, alerting customers for a future overdraft, or by providing the best offer at the right time and place. Only then, digital channels can act as a real support for marketing and sales activities. What we're going to show you today is, with a sample of a car loan campaign, how by adding just 3 elements, we can make it more personal and more useful. The first element, we'll consider the customer data sitting at the bank, and we will use predictive analytics. For the second one, we will consider customer contextual information, and we will use real-time event targeting. And the last one, we'll analyze how our customers are reacting real-time to our campaigns, so we can anticipate any change needed during it and make it more personal and more relevant. OK, David, let's go.
Thank you, David. So what I will do is to show you how a manager at a bank can launch a campaign for a car loan in just a few minutes. And so instead of sending a big mailing to a large group of people, what I will do is use our platform to launch a very personal campaign, which is based on behavioral data of context as well as of customers, as well as the context of the customers. So what you see here is a screen with all my campaigns. I'm going to select this one here, which is the one that I will launch. So here I have the campaign details. And the first thing that you typically do as a manager is to select a segment from your CRM that you would use for this campaign. So that's done like this. Here I have the screen for selecting the segment. And now I come to the first really unique part of our platform, which is that it has a data analytics module built in. So there's no separate tool here. It's all right here at my fingertips. And this is going to help me to predict the success, to predict the outcome of my campaign. So what I will do here is select the segment and click on predictive here. And I have this little pop-up here that shows me that 0.08% currently is the predicted success of this campaign. Now what I can do is change this to something that I find more suitable, 0.9 in this case, and I can click optimize here, and I have a new segment. It's a smaller group of people now. I'm being more selective, and by increasing the success of this campaign. I can see further details here in this chart. Basically, each small ball here represents a group of customers, a micro segment. And as I go along on the horizontal axis here to the right, what I'm doing is I'm being more selective. I have fewer people, and I'm increasing the chance of my campaign. Now, as you can see, it's just a few clicks. I don't need to be a data scientist to work with this and launch a campaign. So this is all good. I'm going to save. I'm going to upload the segment, and I'm going to keep going. Now I come to the second unique part of our platform, which is that I can add contextual data to this campaign. So what I have here are locations. These are locations of BMW dealerships right here in London. And what I'm going to do is to add these to the campaign, and what I will do is send our car loan campaign to people when they enter one of these locations. So I'm certain that it's personal and relevant. So I apply this, and I keep going. So here, I have the screen where I can add events. Events are triggers that will determine at what point the campaign is launched, the offer is launched to customers, and what it looks like. And I can personalize this. Here you have the message, the text that's being sent to people. And here, I can have a preview of the notification that's being sent to customers, as well as the landing page. And so the important part here is that I can just personalize this in any way that I like. I apply this, I keep going, and now I have a very clear and short summary of what I just did. And all I need to do now is launch the campaign. So as you can see, it's just a few clicks to combine data analytic tools and contextual tools right in the same platform. So here we go. I launched.
OK, what you've seen now is just a small piece of what can be done. We combine customer personal data with customer contextual data, predictive analytics, and the power of the digital banking platform. The possibilities are limitless when you combine those. What we're going to show you now is how our companies can react in a different campaign and see real-time what's happening, so we can adapt it to a better campaign.
OK, so the campaign I just launched is here on the left. It says pending for authorization. I'm going to show you this one here, which is already active. I click on the analytics icon, and I'll have a nice dashboard that shows me how this campaign is doing. So first, on the top right here, if I wanted to know what the success of this campaign is right now, I could see that right here, 0.16% at this point. Then down here, I have a dynamic map. Now, what this shows me is in the last 7 days where my car loan offer was offered to customers. And up here, I can drill down on segments. So I can look per segment what the result has been. In this case, click-through rate, I can see what the difference is between people that received a notification at one of our locations versus people that did not. And I can see that the success is much higher if they received the notification. That's it for me.
As we said, customers are demanding more personal and more useful services. We believe the key to offer these services is by integrating digital banking platforms with data analytics into one tool that can be easily managed by business managers. We have this tool. We have integrated these two key aspects of digital banking, and we've shown you a sample today of what can be done. Just come talk to us. We would love to explain you how we can help you with your digital clients. Thank you.